We press. Let's press. So it's all the way down. And then lock. There we go. Oh, okay. I was gonna do a donut, but we didn't guys.
The danger, sit around the corner and I'll look around. Got a nice in my mind, looking like I think I'm about to shine. I'm about to go hit it with time. Okay, let me talk to wait. Let me go prepare for days. Waiting on the way, and I'll talk today.
This is my first time getting gas in this car.
I don't think it's made. I don't wanna sit around. I wanna wait around. I wanna wait around. Think about it, sit around. Pace around. You wanna make them think it to myself. I might just hit around. She don't wanna talk to strangers. But she don't wanna walk with anger. Told her that's the danger. Sit around the corner and I'll look around. Got a nice in my mind, looking like I think I'm about to shine. I'm about to go hit it with time. Okay, let me talk to wait. Let me go prepare for days. Waiting on the way. And
Let's see how much it costs to fill this thing up.
61 for empty. 13.8 gallons.
Okay.
Actually pretty modest. About to say it was like 2,100.
That's not bad.
It's probably getting
That this is empty for sure.
I stood up in line, asking you, don't you wanna be the one? Stand up by my door, think I'm going line. Spends way too much time. Stuck together a little while. Don't you think that this is a piece of life? Coming in your brain and your mind. You wanna leave it all behind, but you can't seem another way to get it inside. Holding on the key of your life. Think you wanna be the one. Why me, hold me on the trick. I don't think I fit enough for all the shit that you think that I'll get. I'm moving in the whip. I think I'm moving sick. Okay, you call me names. I'm thinking that you don't just want to be so I want your rest. Tell me everything. To the spring, a life that you can make, a life that is a thing. I hold it like a way, I hold it like a ring upon my fucking face. I want you to listen. You wanna
What the?
away, but it's nothing and it's something. Pulling on
You open that garage door, let's get back in there. You have fun?
That was probably the most fun I've ever had. At least in the last bro. No LA car meets him like that, bro.
Move up in the function. Are you really honest? Are you too honest? Move moving like a muffin, thinking of the options. Oh, I
Hell yeah, 10 out of 10 Christmas.
never wanna go and she call out. I don't wanna feel off out. I think you're on the wrong side. Don't talk to me tonight, and I just watch it all arise. I think that you will be the night. I move up just like I'm the night. I am night, dressed in chrome hearts.